Welcome back, pure structure traders, for another market analysis for the London session, potentially into the US session. Today is September 14, 2021 here in Hawaii, and will be September 15, 2021 in London. Today we'll be going over S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Give you guys some of the levels we'll be looking at. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P 500, you can see we had nice movement up and then also nice movement back down to the downside. We do have a main level of support right now, 44, 25, 25, and you can see we're trying to climb back up against the resistances here. Next level we got sitting up here, 44, 46, 50 as an area that we may potentially have resistance. If not, I got a little bit of a bigger area all the way up right around those 44.68s. So we'll see if we can climb. There may be a little bit of a struggle that comes in right here. Not too much of a level, but 44.53 could be an area where we struggle with some resistance as well. So we'll keep an eye out for that as well. But right now, we're trying to see how we react to those 68.50s as S&P tries to pull towards it. So we'll be patient as we get into that area. If we fail to get through that, that could be a nice double top to try to pull it back down. Again, we could have support here at 34.50 or coming underneath at 25.25. That could be the next support that we continue to hold and try to bounce up from. So those could be our two trade opportunities, but right now we need to see how S&P reacts off those 46.50s. So let's move over into a smaller chart so we can see this on the smaller chart. So coming over into the smaller chart, you can see on S&P 500, we could find this rejection that happens right here. So we got to keep an eye out here as the market comes up against it. If we fail to get through it, look for that opportunity to try to short it right back down into 34.50 and then below that 25 as the supports. Now if we can't get through 34, that could be a good buying opportunity, and if we can't get through these 25.25s, that could be another good buying opportunity to try to participate in. So we'll see what happens there as the market tries to come into our level of resistance right now at 46.50. Moving over into gold for you guys. Pulling up a chart here on gold, we have nice movement. We did have nice movement. We moved down, then we start to move back up, and we got support coming in right around these 1801.8s. That could be an area of support. Slight resistance that we got holding these 1805s. So I want to see if the market actually comes right back down into these 1801.8s, and then if we can bounce for support for a continued bullish run, we'll see what happens here. But right now you can see we are making higher low movement, so we want to see if the market come into those 1801.8s first on the way back down. So we'll keep an eye out for that. But again, you can tell right now holding this level a little bit underneath this level here at 1805.5, and again anticipating the market to try to pull a little bit deeper here into these 1801.8s and then find the support there. Now if you want the short opportunity, you got to get the market underneath. Probably going to be better for me to see the market underneath these 1801.8s and failing to get through. That would be a good opportunity for us to have a fall off there to our next level of 1795.1. So we got to keep an eye out for that. Right now, not really looking to try to short it on this slight bullish run that we see. Rather see how we react to 1801.8 first. So let's move over into a smaller chart here. So pulling up the smaller chart for you guys can see that we're struggling just a little bit, but you can see what's actually taking place here. 1805.5 being used as a little bit of resistance right now, and this could bring us down into that main level of 1801.8. So keep an eye out for that. If you want the short, again, that could be the opportunity if we fail to get through. But if you want the long continuation, right here at 1801.8 could be the long. If not, look out for more of a main level down here, 1795.1 as a bounce area as well. Got to keep an eye out for those areas on gold. They're going to be some good areas to try to trade from. Now if we get up to 1810.5, that is where we had a nice double top here, so we could actually see a lot of resistance there. That's more of an exhaustive level. If we can't get through, that's a good area for a short as well, so we'll keep an eye out for that on gold. Moving over into crude oil for you guys. So pulling up crude oil, you can see slight resistance coming in, 70.93. And above that, next level 71.14. So two things that we could be looking for: either the market's going to hold this area and not get through it, and we could be shorting this back down against this bullish run that we see, or you could wait for the market to try to come up to the main level of resistance 71.14, where we had a nice couple touches, nice double top, and then a flush back down. If we fail to get through, that could be an area of resistance that we short as well. Now, for those who want to continue the bull run, you gotta let this market come back, use this area of 70.73 first, and then bounce for support to try to attack the upside. If not these 70.73s, then 70.38 down below, and then below that is going to be those 69.94s as the next level of support. So those are going to be those three opportunities of a long: 70.73, 70.38, and 69.94 as the areas of support for crude oil. So keep an eye out for that for the London session and potentially into the US session. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. So again, I hope you guys like these videos. If you guys do, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, pop them in here on YouTube. We would love to get back to you guys. Again, if you're struggling to find consistency in trading and success, feel free to become a member with us at Pure Structured Trading. We would love to help you find consistency and success in your trading. Other than that, if you continue to trade, make sure you guys trade well. You guys have a great night. You take care. Bye.